a very important questions for the interview. Even if those who are interested to research field, that is a very important. So difference between quick sort and merge sort. So the first difference, that is the time complexity, and the second difference, merge sort, we have to create a one extra space. Now see, in merge sort, what we have to do, so we create a one array, like this array box we are creating, and now I'm discussing about the merge sort. Okay. So now here we are creating the merge sort one array, then we have to divide in the two equal part. So we can divide like this two equal parts, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be divided like this two equal part. This will be the 2 and this will be the 3, this will be the 0 and this will be 1. And this process still go up to like this one. Okay. So for merging all the things, we have to create a one imaginary array. That means L of k we are creating, and then we have to merge and we have to copy. That means it will be take extra space. Okay. So order of n. So it will be take extra space. Then we have to copy all the element of array. So that's why you're creating the L of k. And here you can mention A of I. Then here also mention L of k. Then we are mention A of j also. That means not A of j. We are creating like this one R of j, and this side we are maintaining what is L of j. And all of that sudden we have to mention here A of k. Among that one, then we have to increase k plus plus p. So it will take extra space, but in quick sort we cannot go for that one. The quick sort algorithm, the quick sort doesn't take extra space. Okay, it does not take extra space of quick sort. That is a difference, and the time complexity different. And apart from that, in merge sort basically apply for the linked list. Okay, so where the linked list is given, then very easy to apply the merge sort, because in linked list searching, inserting, deletion very easy, and quick sort we can go for the basically array. It can be applied on array also. So don't worry, the merge sort we cannot apply on array, but we apply merge sort on array. But array we can get an extra. That means it will give that means we can say the one word. It is costly. It is costly. Costly. That means in terms of space I am talking about. In the terms of space and in terms of operation, whatever we apply, like operations I am talking about. What is the operation I am talking about? Like a search, then insert, then delete. So these operations are very costly comparison to the linked list. Okay, so in linked list we can go for order of constant time, but here they will all take order of n times. So that is the costly operations. So when we apply the quick sort, there is an array, so there is no effect of that one. Insertion deletion is very easy comparison to the merge sort. Okay, and here quick sort also follow locality of reference. Locality of reference. So what is the locality of reference? That means it creates a short-term memory like a RAM, then it can use directly, and then after that it automatically vomit that one. That means automatically erase. That is locality of reference. That means I'm talking about you can use a local variable concept all the time. Okay, so that is the benefit of the quick sort. Is it clear? So go through the internet, go through the website and search what is the difference between the quick sort and the merge sort. That is the important questions for the interview. Okay, so these are the important questions for that one. So now I'm going to start the merge sort. So I'm going to tell you the concept and how to frame the logic and how to use the syntax. After that you can write the code. Okay, so now see. So topic name is a quick sort. Okay, so in a quick sort, same array is given. Now see, same we can take a one array of unlimited set that cannot divide the size, and this array is given. Okay, so I am going to put like 4, 8, 1, 6, 9, and these are the, again we can say that this was the index number, so I can change my color 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see, in the quick sort we apply the partition elements. That means we can use the function partition. That means we can divide the array partition, but we cannot like a division like a merge sort. In the same array we can partition. Okay, in the same array we can perform the partition operation like a similar to the selection sort. We can go for 0 to 1. Like what is the meaning of partition? So now see, suppose this is the array and this is the point 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the one part I consider and this is the one part. So these are called the partitions. Okay, so these are called the partitions. So we can see in the same array we can follow keys from 0 to 2. We can follow one block, and from 2 to 3, sorry, 3 to 4 up to last we can follow one block. That is the meaning of partition. So we can use the partition function in the quick sort, and the second function we can use the quick sort. We can arrange all the things. Okay, so that is clear. So same process we can apply here. We can put here I value, and here we can put the j value. That means the static index value, that is called the low index value, is L, and the high index value can call the H. So these are the index value that contain the low and high H. But here we cannot divide. So this is put L value. So sorry, this is the I value and this is the j value. And in terms of this I and j, we can say that this is the low index value. So this is the low index value. This is the high index value. So we can use this is also. So this is also we are going to use low index value. So देखिए कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ हमारा कि हमारा I and J तो वेरिएबल होगा. So similar to the quick merge sort हमने क्या किया था, I and J को हमने क्या किया था, हम लोग कंपैरिजन के लिए I and J को, सेम यहाँ पर भी हम लोग I and J को कंपैरिजन करेंगे. लेकिन जब पार्टीशन की बात करेंगे तो हम यहाँ लो इंडेक्स वैल्यू और हाई इंडेक्स वैल्यू का बात करेंगे. सिमिलर टू दिस वन, जिसे हम लोगों ने कैसे मर्ज सॉर्ट में बात किया था कि भाई लो इंडेक्स वैल्यू एंड आर इज अ हाई इंडेक्स वैल्यू एंड देन एम इज अ इंडेक्स वैल्यू. सिमिलर, बस विद इन द सेम एरे. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस विद इन द सेम एरे. नाउ सी, but here you cannot perform. So here we can use the one word pivot. Okay, pivot. Yeah, some people can say the pivot elements. They will explain that means they spell that words. So you can say pivot element, a pivot element, both are the same. So we can introduce the one pivot element. So why can use the pivot element? That means for the comparison purpose. So in the merge sort we can use the middle element. Okay, in the merge sort we can use a middle elements. Okay, but here we can use a pivot element. So I have to find out the pivot element. So there is a 3 and 4 selection criteria where we can pick up the pivot element. So I am going to write that is a different way to we can that is called the quick sort version. So the selection of pivot element, that means मैं उस element को search करने वाला हूँ, that means चुनने वाला हूँ जिसके through मैं comparison करूँगा और जिसके through मैं partitions करने वाला हूँ. Is it clear? यहाँ तक समझ में आया आप लोग को कि actually what is going on the quick sort? Please reply yes या no in the chat box. So that is the purpose of the chat box for the online. Only one people, Harshit, out of 16. So at least 10 people can reply, then you can go for that. Means whatever I'm teaching you, that is effective. Okay. चलो ठीक है. सो देखिए, तो ये हमारा दैट मीन्स हमें एक पिवट एलिमेंट को सिलेक्ट करना है जिसके थ्रू हम कंपैरिजन कर सकें और जिसके थ्रू हम लोग पार्टीशन कर सकें. दैट इज इट. सो क्विक सॉर्ट में पिवट एलिमेंट को सिलेक्शन करने के 4 तरीके हैं. ओके, सो वो तरीके मैं लिखने वाला हूं. दैट मीन्स द एग्जामिनर आस्क यू अमंग 4 क्राइटेरिया. वो पूछ सकता है कि भाई आप पिवट कहाँ सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो और कैसे कैसे वर्क करोगे, हम लोग वो देखेंगे. ओके, नाउ सी, So the first one I'm going to write, the pivot element may be a first element, may be a first element. So देखो यहाँ मे बी अ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट करने का मतलब हुआ ए ऑफ जीरो भी हो सकता है आपका पिवोट एलिमेंट, दैट इज द मे बी अ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. सेकेंड वन आप क्या चूज कर सकते हो पिवट, दैट इज द फर्स्ट, वी कैन से इट मे बी अ लास्ट एलिमेंट, मे बी अ लास्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ एरे. दैट मीन्स मैं यहाँ पर इस एरे के बेस पे लिख रहा हूँ मे बी अ लास्ट एलिमेंट, दैट मीन्स पिवट एलिमेंट वैल्यू इज मे बी 4 और मे बी 9, कुछ भी हो सकता है. एंड द थर्ड वन लाइक अ मीडियन, मे बी अ median. So what is the median? So median is similar to the merge sort, that means L plus H divided by 2. ओके, सो ये भी हो सकता है आपका, दैट मीन्स आपका 2 भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. और फोर्थ वन आप हम बात करते हैं मे बी अ रैंडम एलिमेंट, रैंडम एलिमेंट्स. दो पिवट एलिमेंट होगा रैंडम, मतलब आपका इंडेक्स नंबर 1 भी हो सकता है, इंडेक्स नंबर 2 भी हो सकता है, इंडेक्स नंबर 3 भी पिवट एलिमेंट हो सकता है. Is it clear how can choose the pivot or pivot element? That is the 4 criteria. Is it clear? भाई समझ में आया कि हम लोग पिवट एलिमेंट को कैसे कैसे सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? ओके, so this is the 4 criteria we can choose. Okay, now see, so basically we can choose the first one, standard one. So every one example they can put this one. So suppose I can choose this one, so same process follow for this one also, for same process follow all for this one for. That means we can change the bus location of pivot element, others coding part is similar. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now I'm going to choose, so I'm going to explain a code again. So suppose I can choose my pivot element is the first one. So my pivot element, so I can denote it by the pivot P. So I am going to apply the partition algorithm, and partition algorithm apply between L to H. So I am going to apply the partition element between L to H. So for the selection of pivot element that is necessary, at least 2 elements is present. Is it clear? भाई कंपैरिजन के लिए 2 एलिमेंट होने चाहिए ना, यस या नो? अरे बताइए, कंपैरिजन के लिए 2 एलिमेंट होने चाहिए ना? नो वन? क्या एक एलिमेंट से भी कंपैरिजन हो सकता है? ओके, चलो. सो कंपैरिजन के लिए 2 एलिमेंट होने चाहिए. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द पाइवट एलिमेंट एंड हाउ कैन डू दैट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन विद दिस कोड आल्सो. Now, so I am going to create a one partition algorithm. So I'm writing that. So I am not writing, just I am writing the pseudo code. Okay. So I am going to write a partition algorithm. Partition, and here I am going to pass L value and going to pass H value. So now see, when you use the arrays, so you can also pass int array also like that one. But here I'm going to write a concept, so that's why I'm not writing whole the things. So I'm passing the partition algorithm, that means indicate low index value and H is the high index value. Okay. After that, what I'm going to decide in the partition algorithm, similar to the merge sort comparison, that one, int pivot element is equal to, I am deciding A of L. So whatever the value of this one, now see, whatever the value of this one is assigned to the A of L. That means A of L, that means what is the value of A of L? We don't know right now. We don't know right now. So for that purpose, I am defining int I equal to L, int J equal to H. That means the I value becomes L and the J value becomes L. So this I value becomes 0, so the pivot element become 4. Okay. यहां तक क्लियर हुआ? आपको समझ में आया मैंने क्या क्या लिखा? प्लीज रिप्लाई. ओके. Okay, so you can pass in partition algorithm int array also, int L, so that's why. Okay, now after that we have to move the I and J value. So our target कि देखो हमारा टारगेट क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ पाइवट एलिमेंट. सपोज आई कैन चूज दिस पाइवट एलिमेंट, so we have to place this pivot element into the right place inside the array. मुझे इस 4 को किसी राइट प्लेस पे पहुंचाना है. 4 की तो प्लेस वैल्यू ही नहीं है हमारा. हम देखते हैं 4 को अगर हमारा लास्ट एरे जो बनेगा आफ्टर सॉर्टिंग तो 1 then 4 then 6 8 9. That means our purpose to place this 4 is place number 1. ओके, सो ये हमारा पर्पस है. तो इसीलिए हमारा पर्पस होता है कि हम एक एक एलिमेंट्स को, दैट इज द पार्टीशन एल्गोरिथम, पिक वन एलिमेंट अमंग एरे एंड प्लेस इट द करेक्ट पोजीशन. सो हमारा 4 को एक पोजीशन में पहुंचाना है. आप यहाँ पे देखो, व्हेन आई कैन प्लेस द 4, सो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 4 ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर द स्मॉलर and from the right hand side all the elements are the higher. So that is the purpose of pivot element. If I can choose the pivot element and place into the right place, from the left hand side lesser than pivot element or equal to, and from the right hand side always greater than pivot element. Is it clear? भाई समझ में आया कि पाइवट एलिमेंट का सिलेक्शंस हम लोग इसलिए करते हैं कि पाइवट एलिमेंट के जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के जो एलिमेंट होंगे वो लेस देन और इक्वल टू होंगे 4 के, और जो राइट हैंड के साइड के एलिमेंट होंगे हमेशा ग्रेटर देन होंगे, जिससे हमारी क्या होगी, शॉर्टिंग की कैपेबिलिटी स्लो मतलब रिड्यूस हो जाएगी कि हमें हर बार ये चेक नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि हमें यहाँ से स्वैपिंग वहां से स्वैपिंग नहीं करना पड़ेगा. तो दैट पर्पस. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द कोड. सो नाउ सी same. So when I can start partition, so I am going to write while I is less than j. That means what is the I value? So what is the I value right now? 0. What is the 4? So 0 is less than 4, then we can enter the while loop. Otherwise we have to not enter the while loop. Okay, so that is the process. Suppose my array is like this one. So this is the one process we can reach by array here. So there is no partition. That case, this will be while loop not executed. So I am writing I is less than j. Then we have to enter. Okay. Then after entering, what we have to do? So I have to write this one. So I have to change my color. So I am again writing while I am going to comparison. While a of I is less than pivot. So now, what is the a of I right now? A of I is 0. That means 0. Now see, this is 4. Less than equal to 4. That is true. So that's why I'm saying left than. Less than equal to true, then I plus plus. Then I plus plus. That means we increase the value of I. That means we can increase the value of I. So I is here. Okay? We cannot touch j. Then I plus plus. Okay? Now, what is the I right now? 8. 8 is less than pivot element 4. No, false. Though no need to execute that flow. So after that, what we have to check? Then I have to check j also, because that is the way. Because we are not creating the extra space. So I am writing here while, change my color, while a of j is greater than pivot element. Now see, this is the greater than. Is greater than, then we have to write a j minus minus. Okay, now what is the pivot a of j right now? 9, and greater than pivot element right now 4. Yes, true. Then j will minus minus, the j becomes j here. Now j becomes here. 4 minus minus, j becomes here. Now again, what is the j right now? 3. 6 is greater than 4. Yes, then again j will be forward here. Now what is the j value? Right, 1. Pivot element 4. Now is j is greater than 4? No. So it will be stop here. Is it clear? Is it clear how j? Okay, now see. So this is over. After that, since these things are happened, so we have to write if. Now we can increase I and j value. Then I'm going to check I and j value. Is it possible or not? We have to exchange or not. So now see, if I is less than j. So what is the I value right now? So right in the what is the I value right now? 1 and 2. This is the okay. Then we have to perform swapping operation. Swap a of I and j. Then we have to swap this element. Okay, so we have to element swapping all these things. So these things will be happened. Okay, the swapping element, and this will be the close. So this loop will be close. Okay, this loop will be close. So this will be loop will be close. Okay, but partition is not closed. Now inside that one we have to again swap. So we have to swap what? A of j comma L. So we have to swap also A of j comma L. So j is here, so this one and this one will be swapped. So we can get a right place of 4. Okay, so this will get a right place of, so I have to write a swapping algorithm also here. And after that we have to return the j value, that will next pivot element. So what we have to do? So I am going to write, okay, sorry. So after this, I am returning the j. That means your partition element return j value, and this partition will be closed here. Okay, understand? भाई बहुत सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. हमें आई एंड जे को इंक्रीज करना है, लेस देन कंपैरिजन करना है, स्वैप करना है, फिर कंप्लीट करके रिटर्न जे कर देना. ओके, थैंक यू हर्षित. बहुत सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. After that, this is the partition algorithm. So I am going to write a quick sort. So now the quick sort algorithm I am going to write. Quick sort, where we have to start all the things. So I am passing L comma J. Inside that, what we have to do? If similar to this one, if L is less than R, so L is less than J, then we have to follow int pivot. Now see, the next pivot becomes what is the partition of L to H. Now next pivot automatically becomes partition. So this will be happened. So my suppose J will be here. So this will becomes the next pivot element. Okay. So this will be, and after that we have to pass the quick sort. Now, so again quick sort, we are passing what is L, and this is the pivot element, comma, pivot element less than 1, not a comma. Okay, and then here I am passing quick sort, pivot element plus 1, comma, up to H, and this will be close. So inside that one, I am going to write this if condition. So it will be again partition, again and again it will be working after getting the right place of 4. Is it clear? Similar to the merge sort. Okay, कैसे हम लोग ने merge sort में किया था? A, फिर हमने किया था उसमें middle element, low element plus M, then उसके बाद हमने A, M plus 1 up to R. सिमिलर उसे ही हमने प्रोसेस किया. यहाँ पाइवट -1 कर दिया हमने. इज इट क्लियर? हर्ष, so please write this code and share with me. So this is the code and the pseudo code of the quick sort. Okay, so you can use array, you can pass the array, okay, all the things, and please write it and share with me. Okay. Now see, एक एग्जांपल से आपको दिखाता हूं मैं कैसे होगा ये. Suppose we can go for, now see. चलो करो आप. So now see, if you are talking about the first partition will be take n time, the second partition n-1, third partition n-2. So we can add this one n-1 like up to, we can get n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So it will be the worst condition time complexity order of n square we are getting. Because all the time we can minus n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 we can perform it. So this is the time complexity order of n in the worst case. Okay. Anyone doubt? If you have doubt, then ask me. You can take a help from any site. Okay. So main thing is that for the coding, you can able to understand concept or not. Then if you understand the concept, if you are not comfortable to write the syntax, you cannot able to form the structure, then take a help from the site. You can go for the different type of video and try to learn. Okay. The main thing is that first understand the concept, how movement is going on. Then you can understand how the array can movement is happened. These things that is important. Okay, so that's we have to learn here, and you can practice day by day. Then you can develop your analytical skill. Then how can frame the structure through coding. Okay, it's not a one-day task to build up your structure. So first familiar with the syntax, then automatically you can understand. So first understand how we can move inside the array. Is it clear? Okay, so you can take. So it doesn't mandatory ki whatever I am writing. So that is a concept. Everyone have a different concept. So you can follow anyone, no problem. The thing is that you can understand or not how quick sort will be work within a given array. So that is important. Anyone doubt? Okay, you can try. So please go for the dry run. Okay, so that is the thing. When we can develop the program, when we can write a program, so after each and every logic, whatever you are writing, that is correct or not, go for the dry run. That is the best part to understanding your logic is correct or not. Okay, it's each and every step. Yeah, Harshit, done. Can you share your code? Yeah, please share your code and explain it. Okay, then explain this code. Can we can you show me the your partition algorithm? Your pivot is 8. Okay, we are taking the last element as a pivot, na? Harshit, unmute yourself. Okay.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you show me the code? So you are taking the past element, okay, then I is equal to L minus 1, okay, no problem. So whatever taking minus 1, okay, that means I is less minus 1, okay, so no problem. Then J will start to L, okay, correct. And J less than H, correct, H plus I J plus plus. Then we can comparison the J value is a pivot element, okay, then I plus plus, okay, both I and J increases and both are same. Then we can pass the address of I and J for the swapping, okay. So then after that, you can apply the I plus plus next an array of J will becomes, then return I plus for the next pivot element, and then quick sort will be the similar. Can scroll up for the partition, sorry, for swapping. Okay, swap A and G. So all the time you are passing array of A. Then. Correct, no problem. Can you run this code? Okay, already run. 46. Correct. Thank you, Harshit.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so that means you have the four possibility to take a pivot element. Okay, so we can take a first element, we take a last element, take a middle element. Okay. Now I'm going to share with the some more concept regarding a quick shot. So most of the time they will ask me in an interview. Okay. Now see. So these things are happened. So they basically ask. Now see. In the worst condition, time complexity of quick sort is order of n, and average and best, the time complexity order of n log n. Okay, so that is the time complexity here. So they will ask in which scenario we can get a worst condition. Talking about the different of situation or scenario where we can get a worst condition. Okay, so we can get a worst condition. So now see. So if you can note down, if all elements are ascending order or descending order, then we get a worst condition. Second, all the ascending or descending order, if we pick a smaller element एज अ पीवोट, अगर आप किसी भी एरे में से सबसे छोटा एलिमेंट आप पीवोट एलिमेंट चूज कर लेते हो तो आपकी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑर्डर ऑफ एन स्क्वायर आएगी. एंड इफ यू पिक bigger element, then also we can get a worst time complexity. Okay, and fourth on, all element are same. So all element are same, then you can get a worst time complexity. Suppose like this one, all are 1, or all are 2, all are 5, all are 6, then you can get a worst condition. In all four conditions, they will give a time complexity of order of n square. So these are the interview questions. They will tell you that how can get a best time complexity in quicksort algorithm. So we can say that we can find the pivot element as a middle element. That means h plus h divided by 2. In that scenario, we can get the best solution. That means your pivot element is a median. Is it clear? क्लियर हुआ? मैंने आपको हर चीज बता दिया कि इंटरव्यू में क्या क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं क्विक सॉर्ट से। ओके, इससे ज्यादा इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चंस नहीं आ सकते हैं। आप कहीं पे भी सर्च करके देख लो, इवन इंटरनेट पर कोई भी बोलता है कि मैं आईआईटी से पास हूँ, एनआईटी से पास आउट हूँ, कहीं पे भी जो भी वीडियो चला रहे हैं, इससे ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, difference between quicksort and merge sort. In which scenario we can get a worst time complexity in the quicksort? In which scenario we can use best time complexity in the quicksort? Okay, so this four. How to choose the pivot element in a quicksort? These are the conditions and these are the questions regarding the quicksort algorithm in an interview. Okay. And is it apply a quicksort algorithm for linked list or merge linked list is possible? And it's type of questions they will ask you. तो ये सब चीजें हैं जो आपसे इंटरव्यू में पूछी जाएंगी। So next, who will be interested to share your code? I'm still waiting. And please everyone, CR is present for this lab. Yes, there is any CR for this batch? No. Okay, yes. Okay, the CR, you will send me the attendance, those who are absent today. Okay, I will mark the absent. Only send me those who are the absent. Okay, and please complete this code. I'm still waiting. Yeah, Vivek, you are not participating in the discussion. Why? Okay, okay. Yes, yes, Harshit. I don't know regarding the lead code. So if you are finding that is a good. Okay. So मैंने आपको बता दिया कि इससे ज्यादा वो लोग कुछ नहीं पूछ सकते आपसे. So that is the limitation and that is the boundary of the quicksort. Now see, if you want to become a data scientist, okay, आप देखो, if you want to become a data scientist, you want to become AI, you want to become a software developer, SD, ठीक है? So for data scientist to AI, and if you want to become a good hacker, so all need DS and algo. आप इसके बिना बन ही नहीं सकते हो. That means these are the bridge. This is data structure and algo is work as a bridge to get a good package, to get the entry in a good company. सारी चीज के लिए डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड algo. Even if you want to become a good trader in a future, okay, if you want to become a good trader, banker, then we have to understand this one, data structure and algorithm. So those who are the computer science engineer, they can done a masters from the good college, good reputed college, then they will become a bankers and they apply the algorithm part to take a decision. So they will become a more rich and they will become a highly paid, like a 35 lakhs, 40 lakh, 50 lakh. Okay. So ये reality है. तो अगर आप अभी आपने नहीं सीखा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम्स को, तो आप कभी नहीं सीख पाओगे आफ्टर 4 years. सो दैट टाइम व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, अगर आपको डेटा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है तो आप किसकी तरफ मूव करोगे? आप देखो, सो वी कैन क्रिएट अ वेब डेवलपर, ओके, देन वी कैन बिकम अ एंड्रॉयड डेवलपर, These are the things where we need not require a data structure algorithm that much. Required, but that not much. That is the requirement of highly. Okay. Android developer, web developer, some other developer like a maintenance engineer, like a infrastructure engineer. Okay. So these profile you can get it. Like a software engineer. In software engineer, too many profiles you can get it. Okay. Then you try to move your database management system, DBMS. So these are the possibility you can get a move if you do not understand the data structure algorithm. Is it clear? भाई yes या no तो बोलो. Okay, please share your code. So basically, in college life, everyone interested to do a web development. Yes or no? Web development through JavaScript, web development through HTML, CSS, and Django. So everyone interested to do a web development, and they were interested to make a project of supermarket, school management system, like a gym management system, like this type, billing system. So this type of project interested to do that. And we can, if you want make a web development project, that we have to require a knowledge of database and HTML coding, the basic HTML. If you know the basic HTML, then it will very easy to use React, Angular, JS. These things are important for the web development. Okay. But career not much bright for the web development. I'm going to meet myself, then you can message me those who have completed your coding.